Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. Everyone wondered how Google knows which content to show when someone search. The answer is simple, keywords. In this video, I will explain which keyword matter in SEO and how to use them effectively to grow your website's visibility. What are keywords in SEO? Keywords are the words or phrases people type into search engines when they are looking for information, products, or service. When you use the right keywords in the content, you help search engines understand what your page is about and match it with the right audience. Why keywords matters? Keywords play a hug role in SEO for three main reasons. First, they align content with user intent. Your content answers exactly what users are searching for. They improve search ranking using title, headers, and content help your page ranking higher. Third, they attach the right audience, people who are genuinely interested, leading to better engagement and conversions. How to use keywords effectively? Here's how beginners can use keyword the right way. First, do proper keyword research using tools like Google Keywords Planners, Wordsuggest, or Answer the Public. Second, use keywords naturally in your title, meta description, headline, and content. Write for human first. Third, focus on long tail keywords. Instead of shoes, target comfortable running shoes for flat feet. 4. Avoid keyword stuffing. Overusing keywords can hurt ranking and user experience. Now, quick example. If your business sells running shoes, ranking for a specific keyword like best running shoes for beginners is far more powerful than targeting a broad term like shoes. Now, call to action. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. When used correctly, they help search engines understand your content and connect you with the right audience. So, research smart, write naturally, and focus on user intent. For personalized SEO strategies and expert guidance, visit SEO expert Tanvir. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your next SEO question. Also, if you want to learn more about what is keyword research and why it's matter in SEO, then check the comment and get more information. Thank you. Have a great day.